Hello everybody, this is my first session that I will be doing every week for about 5-10 minutes. These are mini sessions in which we will be addressing either our physical well-being and what we can do in a short time to maintain our challenges. We will address emotions, how we can connect with our emotions and understand them and heal them and make friends with them. We will go into our thoughts and what thoughts are about and how we interact with our thoughts and how thoughts can be truly a benefit and truly hindering aspect of our life. And we'll go as far as the whole spirituality aspect and practice of it and what it is mean even to us, and how consciousness plays role in our daily life and how it plays a role beyond our daily life. So with time we'll go on all of that, because what I would like to do throughout these short sessions is to introduce you what Rebirth of Oneself 3-level package really has, and I will give you some tiny sneak peeks into what benefits you can gain from the package I have developed that is based on, my goodness, probably 15 years of my own exploration and practice and study. I have invested a lot of time and a lot of cash into getting down to the bottom of my own emotions, my thought patterns, how they interact with my emotions, how my spiritual aspect and openness of the heart plays a role in all of this. Because ultimately, my journey started from desire to really feel happy and healthy. But it's taking me farther. And that cannot be stopped. It is taking me into the depth of me. And with time we'll go into the understandings of what it means to go in the depth of yourself and how you can really understand our whole existence when you enter the sacred place of yourself. So today, first session, I'd like to dedicate today to simply relaxing into our body, because a lot of times we don't. I know from my own experience, half of my life I stayed here, ran until I realized there's nowhere to run. So we'll spend time sinking into our body, grounding into our lower part, our hips, our abdomen, our pelvic. Really feel synced in and heavy in our body. And then with a sound, we will connect to whatever you need to connect right now, this moment. You can connect either with a feeling of discomfort, of pain, of anger, any feeling that creates some sort of discomfort, allow it to arise. Or you may connect with a feeling of joy, with a feeling of content, with a feeling of jumping up and down, whatever feeling it is, connect with that feeling. Or you can connect with a situation stay in that situation. See where it takes you. See where that situation takes you. To the feeling of this, or to the feeling of that, or that, or that. Whatever. Because when we naturally connect to the sound, it naturally takes us to the frequency in which it will take you into that same frequency of the sound, and it will open you up to whatever you need to open up to. It also teaches you to trust your own body, to trust your own self, and deeper connect to our body. Majority of life we spend here. Same here. Until my lights went on a number of years ago, and I realized gotta do something with my body, because emotions reside in our body. And emotions attach to our body. And they can sit there as long as we allow it. As long as we come up with excuses. So, first, let's start taking 5 full belly breaths by inhaling through our mouth. Take air all the way down to the lower abdomen. Extend your stomach all the way. You can even push your abdomen to allow an easier flow of your breath. Then push your stomach back while exhaling it through your mouth as well. Let's take 5 deep breaths. You can sit on the floor, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on your bed, anywhere you want, however you want, as long as you're comfortable and nicely sitting down. Let's take a breath. Inhale through your mouth. Extend it all the way. Push it back and exhale it through your mouth. I haven't done the first time since I'm directing, so inhale. Two more times. There are many ways to breathe. I choose this breath for a reason, and I will go more in depth why at this point. And right now, let's close our eyes and let's connect to the sound, and let's allow that sound take us where we need to go and what we need to explore right now, this moment, this moment. Close your eyes. Sink in into your body. Feel your hips. Feel your pelvic firmly attached to the ground. And let's connect to the sound. Let it take you into that small space where there's something talking to you. There's something wanting to come out, wanting to be heard. Just follow the sound. Allow this sound wrap your head, wrap your center, wrap your stomach, wrap your legs, wrap your hips. Allow that sound penetrate you everywhere. Allow it. Allow it. If you want, you can bring very slowly your hands back and just place them on the floor and expand your chest. Open your chest and spend time feeling your chest and how the sound hits you every direction, every direction. Allow it to hit you. Allow it to penetrate you in every possible cell of your body. And slowly start sensing what emotions arise and where in your body those emotions arise. Sit with that emotion or situation or idea. Be fully present. Sink in the body with that feeling. Allow thoughts to just trickle away if they come up. Imagine a river and your thoughts are just dropping in the river, just floating away if they get in the way of your feelings. Allow them to float. Be present with that emotion. Feel it. Feel where that emotion arises. It can be anywhere in your body. Anywhere. It can be your legs. It can be your feet. It can be your pelvic. It can be your hips or knees. It can be your stomach, your solar plexus, or your chest, your neck, your shoulders, your head, eyes, throat, fingers, anywhere. Be present. Be present with the feeling. Remember your experience. Remember that feeling. And continue doing this when you sense that there is something in you that is wanting and asking your attention. Whatever is asking your attention, it's for a reason. It's for a reason. In those uncomfortable feelings, truly lies the strength of us, the vision of us. This is it for today, and let's do 3 full body breaths, just like we did in the beginning. Inhale through your mouth. Extend your stomach forward. Push it back and exhale through your mouth. 2 more times on your own. This is it for today's session. You can practice this as often as you want. In my Rebirth of Oneself package, we go in depth of this and really explore our emotions and how they connect to our thoughts and our body and our physical challenges that we have created in our physical form. Be here, be present, be healthy, be you, and I will see you on next week. Stay in touch. Have a beautiful day. Peace.